Liver is one of the most important organs in your body. I call it the soccer mom organ because she does everything for us. The liver produces bile, which helps you break down fat, also helps you detoxify, and it also helps with many other functions in your body. I'm gonna give you 7 foods that cleanse your liver. Number 1 is garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, which are essential for supporting your liver and activating liver enzymes. These enzymes are responsible for flushing out toxins from your body. Garlic also contains selenium, which is important for thyroid function and detoxification. Number 2 are citrus fruits. Lemons and limes do a great job of supporting the liver to produce healthy bile. Bile, as you recall, as I just mentioned, helps break down fat and detoxify. These citrus fruits also contain a good amount of vitamin C, which, as you know, is a potent antioxidant. Number 3 is broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. These fibrous vegetables can help flush out toxins, and they contain certain enzymes that help support the liver and metabolize toxic estrogen. Number 4 are walnuts. Walnuts contain a high amount of L-arginine, glutathione, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which support the liver and help detoxify waste products. Walnuts are also great for fighting inflammation, and they support brain health. Think about it, they're kind of shaped like a brain. Number 5 is turmeric. Turmeric contains a boatload of antioxidants, which repair liver cells, protect against cellular damage, and assist in detoxification. Turmeric also helps boost bile in the liver and also supports your gallbladder. Number 6 are green leafy vegetables. The liver loves bitters, and these green leafy vegetables help activate the liver to produce bile. They contain numerous cleansing compounds which help your body detoxify and break down fat. And the last one is avocados. Avocados actually contain 2 times the amount of potassium than a banana. Also contains high amounts of vitamin B5, which is great for the adrenals, and a high amount of phytosterols, which helps reduce inflammation in your body. If this video was helpful to you, consider following my page.